What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. Today we're gonna be taste testing.
Go ahead, say it. Go ahead, since you got the can. We trying Pringles. Las Meta. Huh? That's how you pronounce it, right? Las Meta.
What is it?
Habaneros, nigga?
Habanero?
No, the one.
Oh, the one at the top.
Las
of it.
Mera?
Yeah, that
Las
was
Mera Habaneros?
Las Meta. Habanero.
Habanero.
Las Meta Habanero.
I don't know.
Las Meta Habanero.
Got this from 7-Eleven.
You on the cross?
What? Huh? Who? Hey, what?
You T-posing. Why you T-posing?
Y'all don't even believe in that stuff.
He does.
I'm gonna knock that out of him. So.
How? My fault.
That's a jalapeno.
That's that
chili. You got that chili in there. And that lime.
Oh, I love that smell. Ooh, manino. Ice. Yes.
Yeah, I want Swiss spot.
You taking over?
Spicy too.
Don't.
He's trying to bite at you again. I'm gonna eat one. I don't like the lime and the chili and stuff.
Man.
They don't
Only
spice
had
it.
a tiny piece of it.
From 7-Eleven. Huh?
This is good. Jeez. Pack of flavor.
Right, you done.
You already know me.
Good that I'm hot.
Yep. You can taste the lime. That's good.
I get this one right here.
Can I get
No.
I give it to amigos.
Damn.
You can't talk when you eat these, bro.
I wasn't talking.
Yeah, it's gonna throw off this. No.
I bet candies. Oh my god.
Back up. Stand still.
I'm not a dog.
Huh?
Deal.
That's it.
Good dog. 10 out of 10. That's Las Metas. That's how you pronounce it, right?
I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Nah, probably 9 out of 10.
It's hot, bro.
I know.
Oh, yeah, stuff like that.
Hey.
Y'all get y'all rated?
Yeah.
Bro, that's what
Oh,
we
that's
just
how hot it
know.
was. That shit hot.
That's
But
10
yeah,
out of 10.
I get like a 6 or a 7.
Yeah, because you can't
They're
have
not
none of that.
nasty, but you know, I could have ate these when I was sick. Damn. I'm not sick no more though. So it was supposed to be we supposed to be doing these last Thursday, but I had to push it. We supposed to be doing ice cream, I know.
We did promise that for this wave.
Yeah, but I got sick. I couldn't do it. I don't want to be sick.
I am going to Jubilees after this.
I think them pants still on sale. I think. But 7-Eleven once again. Only at 7-Eleven. Like literally, there is nowhere else.
I
There
like
it
Big
is.
Bob.
I sent them out. Walmart.
I like it,
I sent them out Walmart.
I love you.
I love you too.
Like that.
Just started over talking.
Yeah.
Pick you up.
No.
Look.
Said pick them up from the back. I forgot what I was about to say. Oh, they only at 7-Eleven, nowhere else, like literally. 7-Eleven exclusive. This one and there's another flavor, which I'm gonna see next, like literally after this video.
Bring the football.
About that time, cuz.
Alright. It's working time.
So yeah, clock us out.
Alright guys, we're gonna get up out of here. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Be sure to tell somebody you love us. Be sure to catch us out on our gaming channel, on our gaming page. It's available. And we'll catch you in the next Pringle video? Yeah.
Pringle,
And we'll
yes.
catch you in the next Pringle video. And until then, take care.
Janet. Hold on. How do you say goodbye in
Put the camera
Spanish?
down.
How do you say goodbye in Spanish?
Sayonara?
That was Japanese.
What?